Experiencing crashes, login loops, or endless loading screens with the Visible app? You're not alone. These problems often stem from software bugs, server issues, or device incompatibilities. First, clear the app cache on Android or iOS to resolve data corruption that causes loading issues. Next, force stop the app to end background processes that may be causing crashes. Then, restart your device to refresh system resources. Ensure you have a stable internet connection using Wi-Fi or cellular data. Update to the latest app version from your app store. If that doesn't work, try reinstalling the app by deleting and reinstalling it. Still stuck? Reset your Visible password via their website. Log out of all devices to clear session conflicts. Switch between data and Wi-Fi to rule out network problems. Make sure your device has at least 500 megabytes of free storage and is running a compatible OS version. These steps resolve most issues without needing to contact support. If basic troubleshooting fails, the problem might be on Visible's end. Check Visible's official status page for real-time alerts about app issues or outages. Visible has integrated AI-powered chatbot support in the app's help section to reduce resolution times. Visible is migrating to React Native frameworks to minimize platform-specific bugs expected in 2026. Future improvements include Verizon's investments in cloud infrastructure for better app stability and uptime. Be aware that increasing user base growth and data privacy regulations can also affect app performance. If you continue to experience crashes or login loops, consider reaching out to Visible support directly.